Hello viewers! Today, we are going to cover the 5 best dust mops for hardwood floors in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Turbo Microfiber Mop Hardwood Floor Cleaning and Amp Washable Pads. This mop comes with 2 microfiber heads for wet and dry mopping and 2 scrubbing pads for all hard floors, including wood. With its thick microfiber head, all dirt and pet hair can be cleared in a single smooth sweep. Made with a strong and lightweight aluminum pole and a metal head, this cleaner is durable and can be used with ease due to its lightweight. While using, you can rotate the head at 360 degrees for maneuverability. The swivel head makes it comfortably get and clean under furniture. The rectangle head easily fits in corners for thorough cleaning. Reusable pads are machine washable, eco-friendly, and can be replaced when worn out. Pros: Turbo Mop offers faster cleaning. Lightweight, thus easy to carry and use. Machine washable pads are economical. Deep cleans and polishes for better results. Thorough on pet hair, dust, and debris. Cons: pads get worn out after repeated use. Number 2. Our second best pick is MR.SIGA Professional Microfiber Mop. This is another high-quality microfiber mop that is effective at removing dirt and stains from a hardwood floor without leaving behind pooling water. This mop comes with 3 microfiber pad refills that can be used for wet or dry mopping. The microfiber pad effectively attracts dust, tiny particles, and animal fur when dry mopping. It can also be used wet for cleaning up spills, spots, and stubborn stains. Apart from wood, MR.SIGA is also suitable for other floor types including tile, laminate, marble, and slate. Structurally, this dust mop is sturdy and built with a strong stainless steel handle. It can be extended to various heights by twisting the handle right to tighten or left to loosen, then lock in position using a double locking system. The medium-sized pad attached to a swivel head enables cleaning of large and small spaces with the ability to reach corners as well as under furniture and other tight spots. The microfiber pads are hand and machine washable and should be washed separately from other fabrics before washing. Number 3. Our third best pick is Microfiber Wholesale Professional. This is a highly reliable microfiber head mop for both dry mopping and wet mopping all kinds of hard floors for easy removal of all sorts of dirt. It comes with 2 wet mop pads and a dust pad. With an 18-inch mop head, this cleaner is very comfortable to use for both heavy-duty cleaning and light touch-ups. The 18-inch microfiber wholesale professional mop is made with a stainless steel handle attached to an aluminum frame. This makes it withstand pressure while scrubbing a surface. It is also a durability feature and can be used for a longer period of time without any problems. For extra cleaning comfort, the handle is height adjustable and you can mop without bending your back so much. Dusting or mopping under furniture and hard-to-reach areas with this device is also not a big deal thanks to its head that swivels 360 degrees. After using or when the pads are heavily soiled, the heads are machine washable. This creates convenience and saves on the cost of replacing pads. Extra pads for replacement are also available and can be easily purchased when needed. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is O-Cedar Dual Action Microfiber Sweeper Dust Mop. Because this mop is equipped with a dense microfiber head, many people, especially pet owners, found it the most ideal for regular touch-ups and simple cleaning of dust, hair, and other debris. Dog or cat hair commonly piles in corners and under furniture and cabinets, traditionally hard to clean areas. Removing it is easy with this device. The handle can tilt and makes it freely swivel under such tight areas as the microfiber head picks up dust and fur with ease. This O-Cedar eco-friendly device has machine washable pads and can be used many times before they need to be replaced. Pros: can smoothly clean tight areas and baseboards due to its flexible microfiber head. Mop heads can be machine washed for at least 40 times before replacement. Versatile and effective on all kinds of dirt, including hair and dust. Cons: weak connection between the head and handle can be a problem over time. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is O-Cedar Microfiber Flip Mop Damp/Dry All-Surface Mop. This flip mop can be used dry or damp on hardwood floors with great results. The microfiber head is tough on dirt, hair, and grime but gentle on wood finish. This lightweight device has a swivel joint and thus is easy to maneuver. The mop is designed to flip from side to side, and you can scrub dirt with one side and use the other for polishing. The washable microfiber pad can be used over 50 times before replacing. Pros: offers both deep cleaning and polishing due to its flipping nature. The microfiber pads are machine washable, thus economical. Effective on dust and hair on hardwood floors. Cons: when a pad gets worn out, it becomes ineffective on hair. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.